Hi everyone, welcome back to Java interview questions. Today's interview question is, what is a design pattern and why do we need design patterns in Java? This is the one of the most important topics for Java developers and Spring Boot interviews. So let's understand them from the basics. First of all, what is a design pattern? A design pattern is a general reusable solution to a commonly occurring problem in software design. Here, notice one important point. A design pattern is not a ready-made code. Instead, it is a blueprint or guideline that helps design our application in a better way. Let's understand this is a with simple example. Imagine you want to build a house. Before construction begins, an architect creates a blueprint. The blueprint is not the actual house, but it guides the construction process and helps avoid mistakes. Similarly, a design pattern is a blueprint for solving software design problems. Here, you still write the code, but the design pattern provides a structured approach, and it is not a framework or library. It helps in writing the clean, flexible, and maintainable code. Next, let's take a simple example. Suppose our application creates a new database connection object every time a request comes in and creating multiple connection objects. This takes much memory and system resources. Instead, we can use the singleton design pattern to ensure that only one instance of the database connection is created and shared throughout the application. This improves performance and resource utilization. Next, why do we need design patterns? Here question is, why should we learn design patterns? The answer is simple. In real world projects, many design problems occur repeatedly. Instead of solving them differently every time, design pattern provides standard well-tested solutions. Because of this, our code becomes easier to understand, easier to maintain, more flexible, and easier to extend in the future. They also help reduce coupling between classes while improving cohesion. Another important benefit is the design pattern follow industry best practices used by experienced software engineers. As a result, we save development time, reduce bugs, and build scalable applications. Next, let's understand with real-time example. Imagine an e-commerce application that supports payment methods like credit card, UPI, PayPal, and net banking. Without using any design pattern, we might end up writing long if else or switch statements. But by using the strategy design pattern, each payment method becomes a separate implementation. Now, adding a new payment option doesn't require changing the existing code. This follows the open closed principle, which says software should be open for extension and closed for modification. Next, types of design patterns. Design patterns are mainly classified into three categories. First is creational design patterns. These deal with object creation. Instead of creating objects directly everywhere, they provide better ways to create and manage objects. Examples include singleton, factory, builder, prototype, and abstract factory. Second is structural design patterns. These focus on how classes and objects are organized to build larger applications. Examples include adapter, decorator, facade, proxy, composite, and bridge. Next, third is behavioral design patterns. This defines how different objects communicate and share responsibilities. Examples include strategy, observer, template method, command, chain of responsibility, state, iterator, and mediator. These are the these three are the categories of design patterns. Next, in interview, you can answer like this. A design pattern is a proven reusable solution to a commonly occurring software design problem. It provides a blueprint or template for solving problems, but it is not a framework or ready-made code. Design patterns are mainly classified into three categories: creational, structural, and behavioral. In real world Java and Spring Boot applications, design patterns help us write clean, reusable, maintainable and loosely coupled code. That's all for today's question. If you found this helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more real-time Java full stack interview questions.